Hi, and thanks for your interest in the Bloomingdale Public Library. Today I'd like to discuss our online databases and live homework help with you. These are resources that the library has paid to make available to its patrons. You can access these using your library card for no additional charge. Databases are often more helpful than just searching for something on Google because they have been reviewed and verified. They also avoid dangerous sites containing viruses and other typical internet problems. To reach these databases, go to the library's website at mybpl.org and use the Learn menu. Let's go over what each link in the menu offers. Right at the top we have library programs. This takes you to library programming, both in-house and virtual, that might be available to you. Underneath that we have computer and tech classes. Then we start getting into the online databases resources. Online Courses has a number of the databases that are geared towards online learning. Learn Language is specifically for language learning. That's a program called Pronunciator. We'll take a look at that. Homework Help we'll come back to later on, but that is for live people available to help with homework from the hours of 3 to 10 o'clock every day. English as a second language and literacy resources are available here. Local history and genealogy databases are available here. Databases specific to business and investing are behind this link, as well as one specific to jobs and careers here. And then the research a topic or simply clicking on the word learn will take you to a complete list of the databases that would give you all of the ones that you would have through there. So let's click on research a topic and take a look at those. So this is our main databases page, and you can see within this page they are divided by categories again. You can see some for students, some for business investing, careers and jobs, consumer information, and so on. All of these categories are listed right here at the top, so you can jump right down to law or whatever other topic you are looking for. Now, each individual database has a description underneath them. These databases are all provided by third-party companies that we pay for so that you have this resource available to you. If you were to go to this directly from your computer without going through the Bloomingdale Library's page, they would ask you to pay to use this website. And you can see a brief description of what they have here. There are some of them that are free for anyone, some of them that are provided by either the federal government or the state of Illinois, but most of them are companies that we pay to use. So you want to make sure that you come to the library's website to follow any of these pages. Now, if you are here in the building for the library and you follow a link, it will very often take you directly to the library because it recognizes your location. There it goes. But if you are at home, it will ask you to verify that you're a library patron by typing in your card number and PIN. If you don't have your library card number and PIN, then you can get that information by coming by the library with a photo ID and we can look it up for you. If you are not a Bloomingdale Library patron but you want to use these resources, you can come by the library and use them in-house using our computer lab or express stations, or even our OPAC catalog computers. You can go to these resources there. Some of these are only available in library. You can see those listed like that. Most of them you can use from home. If it doesn't say use from home, you can assume that. This is a situation where they have two different ones for different resources. Some of these require you to log in no matter where you are, because it keeps track of your preferences or what you've used before. Lynda.com is a great example of that. I'll give you a demonstration now of how that works when you need to log into a resource to get there. So I click on Lynda.com, and it asks you for the card number and PIN. I'm not going to type my card number and PIN here on the screen, but you would enter these things in and then log in, and it would take you directly to your account. Finally, let's take a look at the student resources that we can find here. Under Brain Fuse Help Now. And this shows you where you would go to get live homework help. You can go to live tutoring, you can go to the writing lab, send a question in directly, or try to find other skills that are available. They also have studying resources and collaborative tools. We encourage you to check these out whenever needed. So those are the library databases. We hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about it, please stop by either of the reference desks upstairs or down, or give us a call anytime, and we're happy to guide you in using these tools. Thank you again. Have a great day.